The first step here in this CapCut editing is just to download the CapCut app. If you haven't downloaded the CapCut app, you click on this Play Store here. You search for CapCut. You see that you have come out. This is the app I'm talking about. Here, if you haven't downloaded it, you download it. Here, I've downloaded the app. Okay, apart from it, let's go to the main CapCut app on my phone app display here. So here on my CapCut interface, there are so many icons here. Let me explain some before going to the video editing place. One here, if you expand this place here, this is video editing, text to image, auto cuts, product photos. This place is external tools apart from video editing tools that are being used in CapCut. Okay, apart from this place, let's edit some video. You click this new project. Let me click it, new project. Here on this new project, then find some video that let me find some video that I will edit. Let me click one of these video here. Forest trading. Let me add it. Let me start explaining these tools one by one. Okay, here in this edit tools here, let me click on it. If I click on it, this video that I uploaded here will be highlighted. You see that I've clicked this editing tools here. Here on this edit icon tools here, there are sub tools inside it. If I click on it, this video will highlight. Okay, number one sub icon here is split tools. If you do not want some parts of the video that you are doing, you want to split some parts. Okay, let me play this video. Forest trading can be you see that I started with forest trading. Let me split this place delete this place. They say it's forest trading, blah blah blah, all these things. I'll highlight this video here, this place. I'll click on this video here and highlight it. I click split. Then I highlight. You see that this video are split into two. Then I'll highlight the one that I wanted to edit, delete or edit. I click on it. You see that you can delete. Let me delete this one. You see that I've deleted it. Let me play this video again. Exciting and potential profitable. You see that it didn't start from that forest trading introduction. Okay, let's see some sub tools in this editing icon here. You click on it. Here, if you want to speed the video, I say assume that the video is going slow and you want to speed it up. You click here to speed it up. You click normal and speed more to 2.1. Exciting and potential profitable venture, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and the use of appropriate. You see, the video is more faster than before. Okay, let's keep it to normal. The normal is 1.0. Exciting and potential profitable. Okay, apart from this speed, you can put some animation in your video. In this animation icon here, you can choose any animation you want. Yeah, if apart from this animation, you can put style. Style is another professional level of animating your video, and in this style you can pay for it. If you upgrade to this your CapCut, you can upgrade it to a professional animation. Okay, here delete is self-explanatory. You can delete your video. Another tool is here is enhance voice. In this enhance voice make use of internet to enhance. You see, enhancing voice. I don't want it to enhance any voice. Just I want to explain it for you. Let me go back. Here, if you want other tools in this editing icon is isolate voice. This isolate voice is for if there's a sound that is playing on your background, or you want to isolate it, you click here, you see keep vocal or remove vocal. If you click keep vocal here, it will keep your vocal speech and remove other sounds on your background. If you want to remove your vocal, you can remove your vocal, and it will remain other sound on your background. As you say there is a beat sound on your background, you want to remove the vocal, you can remove the vocal and leave the beat. Apart from it, you can click here to retouch your video. You can retouch your face or your body. Another feature here is camera tracking. In this camera tracking is if you video your scene in a wide place where people are moving, you can use this camera tracking to track a particular person. It will be showing the movement of the particular person. Apart from this camera tracking, you can increase the volume of your video. You can transform in this transform features. You can transform your feature, and this you can rotate it to 180 degrees, 270, or 0 degrees. You can mirror your video. You can change it, or you can crop your video if you want to crop some parts that you don't want to show on your video. Apart from this transform feature, there is another feature here, auto reframe. This auto reframe is to reframe your video to another aspect ratio. And you say you want to reframe it to 9:16. 9:16 is for shorts, or 1:1 for Instagram videos creating. Apart from this auto reframe, you can adjust your video color, brightness, saturation, brightness. This feature is for it. This video quality, if you want to enhance your video quality, this place is for it. Apart from this video quality, you can filter it. You can filter this video quality, and filter is almost the same thing. Here is remove background, and you assume that you video in a green screen area. You can use this remove background to remove your the background of your video, so that you can put another background effect. Apart from this duplicate option, another features under edit is the replace. If you want to replace this video with another video, you click here. Here is extract audio. If you want to extract the audio of your video, you click here to extract. It will take some time. It depends on how long your video is. Apart from it, this motion blur, it will blur the motion of your video. This stabilize, as you say your video is shaking, you can use stabilize to stabilize your video. Opacity, I'll talk about this opacity later. This revise, and you say you want to revise your video. Another feature is freeze. And you say you want to freeze some particular place in your video. This is place for it. This is beats. This beat is if you want to add beats on your video, you can click here to add beats. Another features here, apart from this edit icon, is audio. If you click here on this audio, is for you to add sound or brand sound. You can check if your video have a copyright sound. Here you can check it here. Here you can add your own audio on this video. You can add your own audio. Like example, this audio volume is bigger than the main video volume. You can reduce it here. Okay, apart from these audio features, we can add text. You click on text, you add the text you want. Example, I love you all. Apart from this text, you can change the font of the text. You can style it to red or yellow, any one you want. You see, this text I've added to this video. Okay, another one here is overlay. Overlay is for you to add a clip on top of the current video. Okay, let's do some example of overlay. You click on this overlay, you add some clip. Example now, you see that this video is on top of this main video. This clip is on top of this main clip here. You can beautify this overlay. You can mask it. The mask I've mentioned the other time, you can mask it to take the shape you want, like circle shape, like this, like example here. You see that you have taken the circle shape. You can reduce the circumference of the circle. You see,
create and avoid potential.
So this overlay is what these videos reaction creators are using. Okay, let's delete this overlay here. Let's delete it. Another one here is effect. Effect is for you to change some aspects of your video. Like you can change the body effect, the photo effect, video effect. Okay, apart from this effect, there is aspect ratio here. Aspect ratio is for you to change the ratio of your video. You can put it to 9:16 for YouTube short. You can put it to 1:1 for Instagram. You can put it 16:9 for main video YouTube. Let's leave it as 16:9, which is formal for main video shooting. Apart from this aspect ratio, there is filter and adjust. Filter and adjust is both same thing. You can use filter. Filter is some templates CapCut have left for you to use to change the color of your video. Like example, if I click on this humble here, you see that video color have changed. If I click on nothing, you see it have changed another one. If I click on tan, you see it have changed. It's for you to use it and adjust it to suit what you want. Another one here is sticker. Sticker is for you to add stickers. Like example, if you click on sticker tools, it's for you to add sticker. Like example, if I want to add this arrow sticker and subscribe sticker, you see that both of them have been added. Let me adjust this thing small. Let me adjust this thing small here. Let me adjust this thing small. Yeah, you see that I've add sticker to it
along with an extend.
Apart from it, you can change the background of this video. You can change the color or add image to the background. Like example, if I add image to the background, if I click image here and click here, let's go to image, the image I want. Let's put this shooter stock image here, or YouTube image. Like example, now let me adjust this main video. You see that I've changed the background of this video now. Okay, that is all for YouTube editing tools. If I want to export this video now, there are two options to export this video. You can export it to 180 pixel or 720 pixel, but I recommended you that you to leave it to this 180 pixel. On this frame rate, you can leave it 25 frame rate or 30 frame rate. Normally I leave it to 30 frame rate. In this code rate, let's leave it to recommended. Okay, after you have done this phase, you click on this arrow up here. You see it's exporting. On this arrow button, it is being exported and saved to my storage device. So guys, if you have exported and if your video have been exported, you locate your video at your storage device. Yeah, this photo, and now after you have locate your video, then you can use it to post on your YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Instagram channel, Facebook channel, and so on. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because it will make it to reach to more audience that are looking for the same video. Thanks you and God bless you. See you next time. Peace.